Buyers of Charlotte is a We Buy Houses company that includes buying houses that are facing foreclosure. Homeowners that have run out of options and see no way of avoiding foreclosure should contact Buyers of Charlotte now. They have helped homeowners by presenting offers that are structured to get you out of your mortgage. Some of the ways are catching up back payments and taking over the mortgage, placing tenants, giving cash for keys, and more. If you've received a foreclosure notice, contact Buyers of Charlotte immediately. You can also pull your house out of foreclosure within 10 days of the sheriff's sale. Don't delay. The auction sale doesn't mean your house is gone. Contact a true cash buyer. The condition of your house does not matter, and liens doesn't matter either. You can go to their website at www.buyersofcharlotte.com or call them toll free at 888-219-8619, extension 200.